I take this pledge. This moment is the best moment of my life. I am the best creation of God, and I deeply connect with the Supreme. I believe that my soul is pure, my heart is connected, and my mind is alert, and I will lead my life on purpose. I will care for people around me and give meaning to my existence. No matter what's the plight, I promise I will never give up in my life. God bless you. No matter what's the pain, no matter how big the cost, and no matter how much the suffering, just believe that the God is working on something much bigger and much brighter for you. He is your father. He is never going to leave his child alone. So just believe and keep the faith alive. Even when you start to believe that the things are not in your control and you cannot do anything about it, just believe that God is in full control. He knows what is best for you, and the best time of your life is yet to come. No matter what's the pain, no matter what's the cost, and no matter how much you are suffering, just believe that your Lord is working on things which are much bigger and much brighter for you. He can turn any setbacks into success. He can make the impossible possible for you. He is your Father who will never leave his child alone. Sometimes you think that the things are not moving as per your plan. You thought about something else and things turned out in a different way. Sometimes you may have come very close to accomplish what you wanted in life, but you still didn't get it. In current bad phase, we all are going through tough times. We don't know what destiny has in store for us. Everywhere you see there is uncertainty. Working people are worried about their jobs. Parents are concerned about the kids' future, and the whole life has gone for a toss. It's not easy. Yes, I agree that it's not easy for anyone. But God has a different plan, and sometimes the other plan is more wonderful than we could possibly imagine. Experience the power of God every moment. The path might be full of hardships, but the destination will be the ultimate. Just believe it's God who created us. God created the seasons, and every season has to come to an end to give start to the new season. Just believe that the disappointments are going to cease. Just believe that you are going to see amazing things. This bad phase is going to end. Just believe that the God is by your side. He will not leave you in the middle of it. And just believe that you will emerge out from this crisis as a winner. So be the warrior and fight back. Just believe in God. I pray to God for your well-being. May you cherish the good times with your family. May God provide you with the wisdom to differentiate between the wrong and right. May you achieve what you aspire. God says, believe in me and I will do miracles in your life. If today's message gave you a new hope, share it with your friends so that they also get the message of God. And I just want you to remember this one thing in life. If God be with you, who can be against you? God bless you and take care of yourself and your family.